Now, we don't do this alone. We couldn't do this if we didn't have support and partners. Which leads me to, I want to introduce our 3 honorees tonight. Our 3 honorees are key partners of ours. So first we have Jodi Nerell. Jodi's the Director of Community Health, Mental Health and Addiction Services at Sutter Health, and she's a force for collaboration. She brings together hospitals, community-based organizations, counties, clinicians to tackle some of the toughest challenges in behavioral health. Jodi understands that people with complex needs don't fit neatly into systems, and she's been instrumental in breaking down those silos so care can actually reach people where they are. Next up is Shalini Rana. Shalini leads community health strategies for the Bay Area at Sutter Health, and her career has been dedicated to improving systems for our most vulnerable neighbors. From her leadership in the mayor's office here in San Francisco to her work in philanthropy and public health, she has consistently pushed for smarter, more compassionate solutions, especially at the intersection of health, homelessness, and behavioral health. She brings both vision and accountability to her work. And finally, Will Douglas. Will's the Director of Community Health for Sutter's Health Greater San Francisco region. And many of you know him as a true partner to HealthRIGht 360. He helped bring care directly into underserved neighborhoods through initiatives like the mobile medical clinic, which you're going to hear more about tonight, meeting people not just where they are emotionally, but literally going to where they are. His commitment to health equity and access has made a tangible difference in the communities we serve. All 3 of these folks, it's not just that they're with Sutter. It just so happens they are with Sutter. But they are people who have dedicated their careers to working with underserved populations and working. Will worked at St. Francis, and St. Francis did so much work in the Tenderloin and in the Tenderloin community. And I personally worked with Jodi and with Shalini on so many projects, like on state policy, on like city policy. And so I have tremendous respect for all 3 of them, particularly like Will tonight, because he loaned me this really cool vest. You'll see this little fringe vest. But again, we're deeply grateful for them as people and their work with Sutter and their history of their work. So I want to invite them to receive their awards, which are right here. Come on up.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's yours.
Thank you.
This is for you.
Can we get a picture with you?
Yeah, we'll do a picture. Just one thing, that little blue thing, they have received also certificates from Matt Haney, Assemblymember Matt Haney, as well as from Supervisor Matt Dorsey. And so that's what the blue things are.
A little bit taller. Just a little. Thank you, Vitka, and to the staff and everyone here for supporting HealthRIGht 360. This is a really important organization to us. I am Shalini Rana. I am the Senior Director for Community Health at Sutter Health, but I am also here and representing my own team and the broader Sutter Health organization. Really want to say thank you. This is an honor, a very special honor. And Vitka mentioned that we have a long-standing relationship. We're very excited about the mobile medicine work, and I know Corinne will tell you a little bit more about it, but what I want to say is how meaningful that project is to our work. It is one of our star projects in the behavioral health space. And, you know, Vitka and the team are really leading and paving the path for what behavioral health in community should look like. And so I think they deserve a big round of applause for all that work. Since we're on the topic of Vitka, I really just want to say thank you for her leadership. She really embodies what community means, and more importantly, you see that woven throughout the team. You know, the work and how everyone shows up every day is with compassion and really partnership. You heard her talk about that episode, and that's every day. And that's everyone in the organization, and that's really special. And that makes our jobs at Sutter so much more meaningful, because it's not just the leader, but it's really part of the values and culture of the organization. And we share those values, the commitment to community and resilience that we see in the staff is so powerful. And it's important because that's how the work is done in community, and that is how the team shows up. So I really want to say thank you to the staff at HealthRIGHT 362. So big round of applause. I'll just close by saying I share this honor with this team, and I think Jodi and Will have been really integral in maintaining a relationship every day with the HealthRIGHT 360 staff, and really just want to say thank you to Vitka and the team for the honor. It's a pleasure to be a partner with you all, and you make the work look easy, though we know it's not, but we're very grateful for the partnership, because all those values that we share, we can't do that without partnership with community-based organizations who are there every day doing the work and transforming lives. So very, very much appreciate the relationship. Right back at you is what I want to say. So thank you very much on behalf of all three of us.